Hey everybody, this is Ken from RecPro, and today we're going to be replacing our pull cords for our Euro chairs. The tools you'll need for this job are a Phillips head screwdriver or impact and some pliers. This replacement should only take you about 5 to 10 minutes. Let's get straight into it. You'll need to remove the 2 Phillips head screws holding down the pull handle. You'll need to pull on the pull cord to release the footrest. Now go ahead and tip your chair over. Locate the twisted wire and untwist it. Make sure to hold on to this part because you'll need it while reinstalling the new one. Now you'll need to remove the end piece from the hole. This is done by just angling it and pulling and sliding it out. Now locate the nut holding the cord in place and loosen it. We just used pliers and then untwisted it by hand. Now gently pull the cord out from the handle and guide it through. Now that is done, go ahead and feed the new one through, following the same path the old one took. Now go ahead and run the wire through the hole and insert the nut on the wire and tighten it down. Now angle the end piece back into the hole. This is again done by simply angling and pushing it in. Now go ahead and twist that wire that we held onto to make sure the wire is held in place. Make sure to screw your pull handles back down into the same location. As you see, this was a quick and easy fix. If you'd want to see more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.